Hello viewers, today I am going to use the Lenovo Laptop Charger to charge JBL Xtreme. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start the video. Actually, I have this Lenovo charger. I have missed my JBL Xtreme charger. The specification of JBL Xtreme charger and the Lenovo charger is almost similar. 319 volt in Xtreme charger and 19 volt in Lenovo, and 3.34 amps in Xtreme, 3.3 amps in Lenovo. Almost 99.9% is similar, but one problem we are facing here is the connector. This connector is not compatible with this Xtreme, so the compatible connector is this DC socket. So I am going to change this socket. I am going to install this cable in this charger so that I can use this charger as JBL Xtreme charger. Alright, now let's open this adapter to fix this cable. To open this adapter, I am going to use this petrol and put here in this tiny gap right round. Very lightly you have to apply, otherwise the plastic will break of this charging case. Alright, I have applied the petrol here all over. Now let us wait for 5 minutes so that the bonding of this housing will get weakened. So the 5 minutes is over. Now the housing will come automatically. It's coming out. That's it. Alright. So now I have to remove this cable from the board to install the other cable which is compatible with JBL Xtreme. So this white color is plus, the black is minus. Now I am going to install this cable. White is plus and black is minus. Cable is fixed. Let me add some more lead here. Now before testing, I am just putting this for safety reasons, otherwise there is a risk of shock. Now let us connect this power to check whether the output is coming 20 volts or not. Now outer is plus, inner is minus. Alright, 20.3 is coming. When the load is given, it will go down to 19. So the adapter is working fine, and this socket will go into the JBL Xtreme. It is compatible. Now let's reassemble the adapter. To paste this housing, I am going to use this Fevikwik. This is super glue. I am going to apply in the housing to fix this housing. Now I have applied the super glue. I am going to fix this. Let's hold this for 4-5 minutes so that it will bond harder. Alright, I have pasted it using super glue. It is fixed properly. Now let's test the charging. Great. Alright, it's charging here. You can see the speaker was almost full, around 80%. Now fifth light is blinking. So using the Lenovo charger, Xtreme is getting charged. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.